Hey guys, and welcome back. Today is a highly requested video, and that's just me covering how to actually submit your games to the Map Plays Playing Your Games series. So as I've said quite a bit, I haven't been accepting more games recently as I got quite a lot at the very beginning, so I've been going through those, and now that I've gone through all of them that I can, I'm now going to be opening up submissions again, and this time the submissions won't close, I'll just be constantly accepting them and then going through the list as much as I can. So what you want to do is you want to follow the link in the description down below, which will take you to this page, which I'm about to pull up now. And all you need to do here is simply just fill in all the details that you see. So for example, you need to put a link to your game, whether that's itch.io, Steam, GameJolt, whatever it is, just put the link here for me to actually access it. Then also just answer the question below of is there any copyrighted material, so whether that's a yes or no or you're not sure. Ideally, I'd want games which don't have copyrighted material, i.e. music, so I can actually use them on YouTube and record them as well. And now that I'm looking at this, I am actually going to add another section in here, and that's just going to be any extra information you want to put on there. So if there's a password I need to use or anything along those lines, I'm going to put that section in there as well, so you can then put that information on there for me to see. And if there's anything else you need to say, just feel free to email me or DM me on Discord, and those links are in the description down below as well. So thanks so much for submitting your game for me to play on the series, and again, I'll hopefully be getting through as many of them as I can. So thanks so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to like and subscribe down below. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.